Welcome to this special event from Mack Trucks. I'm Stephen Roy, President of Mack Trucks, coming to you from our headquarters here in Greensboro, North Carolina. Today marks an important milestone for Mack Trucks and for regional haul operations across North America and our export markets around the world. The transportation industry is evolving rapidly. Fleet managers are facing rising operational costs, complex logistics demands, and the ongoing challenges of driver recruitment. They need trucks that maximize productivity while minimizing downtime. You know, for over 125 years, Mack Trucks has responded to challenges like these with practical innovations that move the industry forward. Building on Mack's legacy of innovation, our next truck incorporates many of the same cutting-edge technologies and design principles that we've developed for our upcoming Pioneer model. It will deliver advanced innovations to regional haul markets today, optimized for applications including bulk haul, food and beverage distribution, and equipment hauling operations where regional efficiency is paramount. To tell you more about how we developed our new truck based on direct customer feedback, I'd like to bring in Jonathan Randall, who's been working directly with our customers to ensure Mack is delivering exactly what they need. Jonathan, it's yours.
When we talk to our customers, we listen carefully to what they needed from this new truck. Better fuel efficiency, premium driver comfort, enhanced maneuverability, and increased uptime. All in a package that delivers real value and a return on the investment. Today, we're proud to introduce a truck that doesn't just meet these expectations, but redefines what a regional haul truck can be. It's designed to maximize your fleet's productivity in every aspect of operations. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to introduce the future of regional haul, the all-new Mack Anthem.
When you have a truck that's earned its place on the road and drivers who've inspired its every innovation, the best direction is forward. Introducing the all-new Mac Anthem. Drive the new standard of regional haul. Drive Mack Anthem.
And here it is. Go ahead and take it in. The all-new Mack Anthem. And it's okay to gawk at it a little bit. I know I certainly did. This truck represents everything Mack stands for. Tough, reliable, and built to perform in the real world. The Anthem delivers next-level performance with up to a 10% improvement in fuel efficiency over the current model through industry-leading aerodynamics and an upgraded powertrain. We've established a new benchmark for comfort with a cab that is 9 inches wider and packed with features designed to make drivers more comfortable and more productive. The Anthem revolutionizes safety and maneuverability with integrated systems that improve visibility, protect drivers, and navigate tight spaces with confidence. We've also elevated productivity with Mack Connect, our suite of uptime services that keeps trucks on the road through predictive maintenance and real-time monitoring. This is more than just a new truck. It's a complete solution designed to deliver measurable improvements to your bottom line. Now, let's take a closer look at what makes the Anthem so special. When we set out to design the Anthem, we had one clear objective: create a truck that performs better in every measurable way. To walk us through the design and performance features, I'd like to introduce Kent Worthington, Powertrain Sales Development Manager for Mack Trucks.
Thanks, Jonathan. If we start out looking at the aerodynamics, all right, the first thing to point out is our integrated chassis fairings and the new roof design, both of which work together to help direct airflow more efficiently around the sides of the truck. And if we look at the new hood design, the slope of the hood's been further optimized to help reduce drag, adding to the aerodynamic performance of the truck. We've also made upgrades to our powertrain. Anthem now learns your routes and optimizes shifting based on terrain and load conditions. During our extensive field testing, we documented much better performance and stop-and-go traffic and less downshifting on hills, thanks to more torque available at lower RPMs. Not only can this technology help reduce driver fatigue, It reduces wear on critical components, maximizing Anthem's uptime. Now, all of these features combined help contribute to our customers' bottom line while maintaining that unmistakable Mack appearance, as you can see with our inset Bulldog.
In regional haul and on-highway operations, safety and maneuverability go hand in hand. The Anthem excels in both areas, creating a truck that's not only safer to operate, but easier to navigate in challenging environments. To demonstrate these improvements, I'd like to introduce Blake Ruth, Senior Product Manager of On-Highway Trucks at Mack. Blake?
Thanks, Jonathan. Maneuverability is a key part of the driver's experience. And with the new Mack Anthem, we have an improved bumper to back of cab, which again is a key part of maneuverability. What bumper to back of cab is, or BBC, is basically the measurement from the front of the bumper to the back of the cab. In this case, this is a sleeper, so we're going to take the measurement from the back of the seats. And what that measurement is it's going from 117 inches with the previous Anthem to 113 inches with the new Anthem, giving 4 inches improvement to improve the maneuverability for the driver. The hood redesign dramatically improves forward visibility, which directly enhances safety. Drivers can now see about 12% closer to the front bumper compared to previous designs. Turning radius is a key part of the experience a driver has with our trucks. And we're really excited to say that with the new Anthem, compared to the previous Anthem, we are 12% better. And what this does is this allows a much easier and much simpler driving situation for all drivers in all environments. Safety is at the forefront of everything we do here at Mack Trucks. And with the Mack Anthem, we're proud to offer Mack Protect, our new proprietary collision mitigation system. Mack Protect offers front collision support, side collision support, and also lane keep assist to help keep the driver inside the lanes, ultimately providing the ultimate safety suite for the drivers. The new Mack Anthem is designed to deliver in the most demanding regional haul applications. From its improved maneuverability and visibility to its leading safety systems, this truck sets the new standard for regional haul.
The all-new Anthem is also a workplace for drivers. To show us the comfort improvements in the Anthem, I'd like to introduce Zach Fenstemacher, Mack Experience Specialist.
Thanks, Jonathan. When designing the Anthem's interior, we invested a lot of time speaking with drivers about what would make their daily work environment better. The result is a complete reimagining of the Anthem cab interior. The first thing drivers notice is the space. We've expanded the cab width by 9 inches. This completely transforms the driving experience. It may not sound like much on paper, but for someone spending 11 hours a day in this environment, it makes a world of difference. These new wide base seats feature available ventilation, heating, and massage functions. During our field tests, drivers reported significantly less fatigue and back strain, even after full days of driving. The available massage function, in particular, was highlighted as a game changer for driver comfort during long hauls. The moment drivers step into the all-new Anthem, they've told us it feels like a home away from home. The increased cab width creates a sense of openness and personal space that many haven't experienced in a truck before. When they move into the sleeper area, you can actually stand upright and stretch and move naturally. And that's when it really hits them. This isn't just a truck cab, this is a space designed for living. These comfort features directly address one of the industry's biggest challenges, driver retention. Our fleet customers tell us that driver comfort is one of the top reasons that drivers stay with or leave a company. The Anthem gives managers a powerful recruitment and retention tool by providing drivers a workplace that shows they're valued. In today's competitive labor market, this can be the difference between keeping your best drivers and constantly training new ones. It's a substantial impact on your fleet's uptime and operational efficiency.
In today's competitive transportation landscape, keeping trucks on the road and productive is essential for profitability. To walk us through how the Anthem revolutionizes uptime and productivity, I'd like to introduce Todd Shakespeare, Head of Leasing and Service Solution Sales at Mack Trucks.
Thanks, JR. Our fleet managers are incredibly busy, and the Mack Anthem and Mack Connect gives functionality and features that are going to make their lives so much easier. We have established Mack Connect as the foundation to these uptime services. This is the platform from which our customers can procure all of the data that they need to keep an eye on their fleet and make sure they're getting the most out of it. One of the most significant innovations is our over-the-air programming capabilities. Most software updates can happen while the truck is parked overnight. No need for a service appointment, no downtime during business hours. This alone eliminates days of potential downtime per truck. We're also able to provide detailed information on when the new Anthem will need to be serviced. Under optimal conditions, the new Anthem extends oil change intervals from 75 to 90,000 miles and chassis lubes from 15 to 30,000 miles, saving up to $685 annually. Even in harsher environments, it typically requires less maintenance than other models, lowering the total cost of ownership. All these systems connect directly to our Mack network through Mack's Guard Dog Connect. When a truck does need service, data is automatically transmitted to your Mack dealer so parts can be ordered and technicians prepared before the truck even arrives. The data we've collected shows an average 37% reduction in overall downtime compared to previous generation trucks. These uptime improvements translate directly to profitability for our customers. One fleet in our test program increased their revenue generating hours by nearly 15% after switching to Anthem trucks with our full uptime package. Another reduced their CSA violations by nearly 30% in just 3 months. And several have reported insurance premium discounts based on the advanced connectivity and maintenance monitoring. In today's business environment, having trucks that not only perform well, but stay on the road longer is the key to competitive advantage. The Anthem delivers exactly that: more uptime, more productivity, and ultimately more profitability for your operation.
All right, so what's coming down the road for the new Mack Anthem? Regarding production, we're beginning full production in January of 2026, with the first customer deliveries starting shortly thereafter. You'll get your first in-person look at this truck at the American Trucking Association Management Conference in October later this year. The new Anthem will deliver best-in-class total cost of ownership through increased productivity, improved efficiency, and overall uptime. And all of this while providing an unparalleled driver experience. As you've seen today, the Anthem represents a significant step forward for Mack and for the regional haul segment. This truck delivers measurable improvements in every area that matters to your business: fuel efficiency, maneuverability, driver comfort, safety, and uptime. The Anthem truly is the new standard of regional haul. It combines Mack's legendary toughness and reliability with cutting-edge technology and design, creating a truck that doesn't just meet today's challenges, it's built for tomorrow's demands as well. And I'm excited to let you know that the new Anthem is now available on our Truck Builder site. You can start building and customizing your Anthem today to match your specific operational needs. Whether that's selecting the right powertrain, cab configuration, or technology packages we've discussed. Thank you for joining us today. From all of us at Mack Trucks, we look forward to partnering with you to drive your business forward with the all-new Mac Anthem.